In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove all the people in the photo. But first, make sure you have Photoshop 26. To check that, just go up here to Help, select About Photoshop, and it should tell you which version you have. I have 26.7. Now to remove the people, just go to the left, select the Remove tool, make sure the Sample All layer is selected, and let's go to the right, let's create a new layer. Let's go back to the top. On Find Distraction, select the people. It'll try its best to find everybody. As you can see, it did a pretty good job selecting everybody except for that guy right there. So let's go ahead and brush that in. After everybody's selected, just go ahead and hit enter and it'll start removing the people. Now, if you see any parts that's kind of weird, like right here, I'm just go ahead and brush that in like that and it should fix it. And as you can see, it created everything onto a new layer. That way you still have the original image right here. So this is a good way to work non-destructive.